What is going on, guys? Today we got a brand new video. I kind of got stumped this weekend. I had a bunch of stuff ordered. One's not coming in because it just disappeared in the middle of nowhere, so Amazon ruined me on that, and the other one is just taking a long time. We got a weekend of trying to figure out what to do, but I have an idea, I think, at least, of what I want to do today, so let's go. Other than that, weather update, it is now 3 degrees. The snow has melted from the roads, so we are out of our deep freeze for now. Oh yeah. Oh. Now we can go have fun. So one thing that's become a problem now, because it's snowed so heavily and the roads around here are really old, are huge holes in the road. And that's why sometimes the mountains aren't exactly as fun as you think they would be. Some Tim Hortons never hurt nobody. They never have wedges, dude. Like, it's like the most popular item and they never have it. No potato wedges, dude. Okay. Let's go fill this up. I'm gonna be the one that rides passenger with the goods. It's nice that it's warmer outside because now the shop warms up a little better. So I got some exciting stuff, and the whole plan of coming to the shop today was to get both these cars fired up, and because the snow had melted a lot, I wanted to get them outside and shoot some photos and maybe even get them down the road. The driveway leading down to the road is still too high of snow for this to get down, so that won't work. So I'm gonna challenge myself, and we are going to test if we can take photos of the Beater and pretty much emphasize, can you take good photos of stock, or in my case, ugly cars? First, you guys know my Hot Wheels, and I'm gonna ask you guys some questions. There's a lot of stuff about Hot Wheels I don't know, so let me know down below. I rolled so many Hot Wheels over the past day. Like, I literally went out and went Hot Wheel shopping, and I got so much good stuff. Like, okay, a couple ones that I thought were cool is I found this MX-5, and I already have one, the orange one, but this one's kind of like modified. And I found a CX-5. So this is cool, this is nice. A Tesla Model S, I don't think I have a Tesla yet. BNR 32. I got this one's a special. You can see that little marking in there. I'm not sure what that means. Nice, and the color on this is gorgeous. Focus RS, a Mazda Repue, or whatever that is, I'm not sure what that is. A Chiron. I'm pretty sure I got this one as a kid, so I'm gonna have to look for that. Oh, pretty close. I have a white one. So I got this as a kid, like in the early 2000s, like maybe like 2004, right? And I thought it was really cool because I thought I had a yellow one. I swear I do. But it's the exact same model, it's just not painted like this one is. So like, I think this is like, because they took this model and remade it in current day. Oh, look at this! I have a red one as well, and it's a Momo. But this one's from, oh, when was this made? Looks like this one looks like it was done in 2008. Fairlady 2000s. This really nice painted A-Class. We got a RS5 Coupe, RS6 720, a sweet CRX. I think I have one of these. Yellow 2000s, and a normal Civic Type R, because you guys know I have a bunch of AKS Type Rs. This is so cool. AE 86, a yellow Silverado off-road. I have an orange Silverado off-road. A Mighty K, this is cool. A custom 70 Honda N600. I have the same one, but in like that beige. I got a yellow Supra. I got a couple white ones up there. But yeah, pretty good Hot Wheels pull. So what do you guys think is cooler? If I pair all the cars together like this, or if I put them in their specific collections? all together, because there's so many different collections. For example, like the 2 Mustangs I have are from different collections, but it's the same car. So I just kind of find it's weird like that, and I'd rather have them together. But let me know about Hot Wheels. If you guys have any forums or something I should look up. I'm kind of getting intrigued in this whole Hot Wheel thing, but I'm gonna go ahead and post these all up on the wall. I got a couple more to put up here, but that wall has grown immensely just today alone. I honestly, like, this is kind of like my favorite part of the video. Okay, so since we've done the Hot Wheels, I can't start that car. So unfortunately, we're not gonna be able to do anything. I might shoot a couple photos in here anyway, but our focus of today is we are going to take the Beater, find somewhere cool, scope some places out and see if I can take good photos of it, but we gotta wash it first. So, without further ado, I'm gonna finish up in here and we'll head out. All right, let's roll out of here. See you later, alligator. So, I'm feeling pretty good because there's some cool shit going on in the sky. So, we have to wash this first because that's not gonna look good. Brr, let's head to the car wash. All right, let's wash this beehive up. Hi, it's editing me. I'm gonna replay that. Just listen to how bad that brush sounds. Alright guys, so if you guys remember when we came out here with Tyrell's Mazda Speed 3, we shot in this cul-de-sac and at the top of this mountain sort of area. Surprisingly, the car stayed somewhat clean. So I'm feeling like we can get a couple good shots of it with the view in behind, and that's what I really want to emphasize. I shoot a lot of like OEM cars, stock cars, and they turn out really good. And what I'm trying to show you guys is that you can make your cars look really good even if you don't like them, or if they, you know, have steelies on them like mine do. Look good in a photo by using backgrounds or objects or anything like that. We're gonna do some far shots. I think I might stay away from medium shots, and then we're gonna do some close-ups with the 50mm, and then we're just gonna see what we can get up here. I don't want the car too close because this is gonna be sound weird, but I really don't want you guys to see the steelies. Like, I don't like about this spot is that this area is shaded, but over there is in direct sunlight. CPL filter to keep the reflections down. So much more emphasis on the car when you're shooting it. Thread that bad boy on and let's get started here. Let's get some potatoes going. So we're gonna turn that ISO down to 100, crank our aperture all the way down, of course, and control the shutter. We need to make sure we can get that background. If you guys can see out there, that might be a little too overexposed, but there's some really cool ripple effect going on in the cloud. I really want to emphasize that because that's kind of what we're going to be focusing on when we shoot this car. So we're going to start off with some basic shots. I'm using the kit lens. Unfortunately, I would love to get some actual lenses, but I've been really learning how to emphasize my lengths, my focal lengths, and what kind of shots I like to use. And I really like to do 35. So I'm going to be shooting at 35mm on my kit lens, and I'm going to be using my CPL filter to block out any reflections. I mean, taking away that windshield glare and that front glare on that car. I'm going to turn that shutter, but I want it to be a decent brightness, so we'll start with that shot right there. That should be pretty good. Just like that. Do the same thing. I just want to get 3 different angles and I can kind of pick. I really like this one, especially taking that reflection out of the paint. If I could go back, I might be able to get some more distance here. So again, utilizing that. I think we're good on the front shots here. So the front of the car looks okay. Now, obviously you guys won't have the pod or the ditch lights like I do. So, I mean, those front shots, you can edit to make look really good. Now we're looking at the side of the car, and this is where it gets a little funky. This is where I'm going to, now I got the houses in the background unfortunately, but if I come down a bit, I can kind of get rid of those and focus on the sky. We're gonna grab the car, pull the reflections out, kind of pulls the reflections off of the, this is okay for me. Okay, I'm gonna move the car because I don't like anything around here except the street. And I'm gonna put a bit of fling on it you see that? We're just gonna do that. I don't necessarily like doing turn wheel photos, but it's okay. And then we can emphasize the ripple effect in the cloud again. But since we're shooting the Steelies, I don't really want, I'm gonna come back a little bit, take the reflections out with the CPL filter, grab it and shoot. Okay, I don't like this angle anymore, so I'm gonna spin the car around. Oh yeah. Now this only necessarily really works when you have aftermarket wheels, because now when you shoot the car straight, you can see that the front wheel has turned out, and it kind of puts some focus on that. However, that's not really gonna work because I'm on Steelies, but I have a feeling that because these bums on these cars look great, oh, that just might work. Utilize that CPL filter, focus it up, shoot that. I'm gonna take another one, I don't know if that focused, shoot that again. What happens if I put this piece of snow in front of it? I don't know, doesn't really do anything. I think that'll be good. Now I'm gonna come up to a medium shot because we can capture the quarter, pull the filter around, and we can capture this. Oh, that's gonna look cool. Take the reflections out. Ooh, that's money. Boom. I'm gonna get a kind of one a little closer here. Nice. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna switch the lens up here. Here we have my 50mm. This is for macro stuff. So, with that being said, you guys can see how much zoom we got going on here. Since we took nice photos of the car, let's take nice photos of the things that the car has that make it look bad. Emphasize that. This is so dumb. Nice. Just what I like to see. Update on the rust hole size. This thing is getting huge. Like, that has grown a lot. This is gross. So let's take a photo of it. That is so bad. Maybe a pod light would be kind of neat. Yeah, cool. Okay, I'm getting cold. I think I'm done. I think we did a good job, hopefully. Oh, now I gotta put all my shit away. With that being said, that's the video for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really enjoy doing this photo shoot stuff. I hope you guys do too. What have you guys thought about the winter vlog so far? It's been tough trying to get stuff in with shipping and everything. It's just been horrible. I'm like waiting on 2 companies. I've been waiting for a long time for them to send stuff out. So it's just like, we're about to go January without doing any car mods. Just because I live in Canada, because the shipping here is horrible. But hopefully we made this look good. I obviously don't know what the photos look like, but if you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below what you guys think about today's upload. Other than that, guys, thank you so much again. Really appreciate it. Keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.